This situation is going to have some sort of emotional healing. You guys may have some soul contracts and are healing some karmic wounds through each other that may have affected the relationship. So even if you guys are in separation, you're still doing the work according to the terms and conditions. And I think that that's super dope. So the number 16 on the clarity card tells me about some unexpected awakenings. Okay. And this clarity or this awakening leads to some sort of healing.